10 incredible inventions you didn't know existed. ULO Alert Mode is a security feature used by the ULO Owl camera, which is designed to look like a real owl and can be used for home surveillance. When activated, ULO Alert Mode sends an alert to the user's smartphone whenever it detects movement within its field of view. Father.io. This is a first-person shooter game that uses augmented reality technology to create an immersive gameplay experience. Players use their smartphones and a special device called an Inceptor to shoot at virtual enemies and compete against other players in real-world environments. Hub by Echo. This is a smart home automation device that allows you to control all of your connected devices from a single app. It also features a voice assistant that can answer questions, set reminders, and perform other tasks. Ship by WowWee. This is a small, programmable robot designed to teach children about coding and robotics. It features sensors, motors, and other components that allow it to perform a variety of actions, such as following lines or avoiding obstacles. ZapTip. This is a mobile app that allows users to easily and securely send and receive tips and payments using cryptocurrency. It is designed to be fast, easy, and accessible to anyone, regardless of their technical knowledge. Wing Jump. This is a game that involves jumping between platforms and avoiding obstacles. It features simple, one-touch controls and colorful, cartoonish graphics. Hickeys. These are elastic laces that can be used to replace traditional shoelaces on any type of shoe. They are designed to be easy to use, comfortable, and customizable, with a variety of colors and patterns available. Rock Pack. This is a waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof storage container for outdoor enthusiasts. It features a built-in solar panel for charging electronic devices, as well as a built-in flashlight and emergency beacon. Revolites. These are LED bike lights that attach to the wheels of your bicycle, creating a ring of light that makes you more visible to drivers and pedestrians. They also feature a brake light that automatically turns on when you slow down, helping to increase your visibility and safety on the road.